Are you looking for the best camping stoves of 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best camping stoves of 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Eureka Ignite Plus. Eureka Ignite Plus certainly looks like a camp stove designed for the modern era. Some of its updated features include a push-button ignition, adjustable rubber foot pads, and a responsive fuel valve for better simmer control. Additionally, the overwhelmingly positive reviews by users at REI give us an encouraging sign about the overall quality control and long-term durability of the product. Cons: the Ignite Plus doesn't do as great a job mitigating the effects of the wind as the Everest. The side panels are short and allow a lot of air to pass underneath. The burners are shallowly recessed and don't have a protective ring around them. And with 10,000 BTU burners, the stove isn't able to overcome the wind with more power. Gather the crew for bigger, better campsite cookouts with the Eureka Ignite Plus Camp Stove. Larger than the standard Ignite, the Ignite Plus has added capacity for campers looking to cook more, using larger cookware. The Ignite Plus offers an innovative 2-turn simmer control for high-precision flame adjustment, and 2 propane burners deliver 10,000 BTUs of cooking power that go from light simmer to fast boil. A push-button igniter allows for fast, easy starts, while the stove's compact size fits 2 12-inch pans to create your campsite meals. At number 2. Coleman Classic. The Coleman Classic was our first camp stove. It is a no-frills, basic camp stove that has proven to be very reliable for us over many years of use. What we love most about the Coleman Classic is the tremendous value it offers. It might not have all the new bells and whistles, but it's a very serviceable 2-burner camp stove for under $50. Cons: this stove has 2 major drawbacks. The first is the lack of an auto-ignition system. The second is the less-than-responsive valve, which can make dialing in the temperature difficult. This results in a flame that is more susceptible to being blown out, requiring it to be manually relit more often. It's a vicious circle of irritation. Additionally, as with many long-running product models, there have been allegations by users online of declining quality control and workmanship. However, personally speaking, our stove has continued to work very well over the years. And Coleman still backs this camp stove with a 3-year warranty. Cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner on a dependable stove that packs up easily with the Coleman Classic propane gas camping stove. The 2 burners put out 20,000 total BTUs of grilling power and are shielded from the wind by adjustable wind-blocking panels. Rest assured, your stove will perform consistently even in extreme conditions thanks to the pressure regulator. At number 3. Camp Chef Explorer Double Burner Stove. The Camp Chef Explorer is freestanding and comes with adjustable height legs. This allows you to place it anywhere, without needing to have a table to set it on. This really is a professional quality cook system, with 2 broad 30,000 BTU burners, hyper-responsive flame control, a generous cooking area, and substantial wind protection, individual burner ring and cook surface wind shroud. The major downside to this stove system is its size. While the legs do collapse down, it is still a 29-inch by 14-inch package, which might be too unwieldy for space-conscious campers. Another thing to consider is that the Camp Chef Explorer is designed to use a large refillable canister, sold separately. Not necessarily a con, but something to keep in mind. The Camp Chef Explorer is a professional quality stove system that is probably better than the stove in your house. If you do a lot of cooking outdoors, especially for larger groups, more than 2 people, and have a little extra space, then this is a great option.